Wouldn't you feel better and have more energy if you knew that you were getting enough nutrients from your daily diet?
For optimal health, we need more than 45 essential nutrients every day.
What can we do to ensure we get them?
More fruits and vegetables, please.
True, eating more plant-based foods helps. But leading health experts also recommend supplements to make sure we get all the vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and important phytonutrients our bodies need.
Nutrilite plant-based supplements address your specific nutritional needs at any stage in life.
And our focus is always on optimal health for you, your customers, and your family.
Guaranteed.
Nutrilite knows that the best of nature plus the best of science equals the best of you. It's no wonder Nutrilite is #1. Nutrilite branded products are available exclusively through Amway independent business owners.